Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Kakoune text editor on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos like this where I install software on both Chrome OS and on Windows and show you how to set up the software, then make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to the video. The first thing we need to do is install the Linux development environment. To do that, we'll go to our launcher here and we'll find our settings. You can either search for the settings or find the icon. I'm going to click on the settings here. And on the left hand side, I'm going to go down here to this advanced tab and I'm going to click on that to expand. And then I'm going to click on developers. From here, we can turn on the Linux development environment. I'm going to click turn on and we have this wizard that will guide us through the setup. I'm going to click next. It's going to give me a username based off my email. If you want to change that now. I don't think you can change that later on. The disk size can be changed later on. I'm going to leave both as is and click install. That's going to take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once Linux is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt get update and then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt get dist upgrade. And I'm going to do a -y flag to answer yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. This will take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Now that the Linux development environment is enabled and updated, we can install Kakoune. To do that, I'm going to type sudo apt get install Kakoune and hit enter. Okay, once it's gone ahead and installed, we can use Kakoune. I'm going to clear this out first by typing kak and then the name of the file that we want to edit. So let's say test.py. Okay? And from here, we're in Kakoune and we can begin by editing the file. So we could print a simple hello message in Python, for instance. We can save the file and we're good to go. So congratulations, you've installed Kakoune on your Chromebook. If you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you.